Yup, maglalaro tayo ng seijunDROP, Japanese horror game. Yeah. So, yeah, let's get to it. Oh yeah, nilaro ko to kanina kaso hindi ko pa nakita. Pinanood ko lang yung cutscene, yung lore. But yeah, let's play. Summer break has come to an end. Kaya napanood ko na to.
5 minutes later.
Kaya, yep, dito lang ako umiikot-ikot. Hindi ko alam ba't ganito. Examine. This grass grew pretty high. I suppose this place really been abandoned for a long time. I agree. Ito. Yoiko. I really hope he's okay. Sino nga yung hinahanap? Yung kapatid yata. I think we should split. This way we have bigger chance to find Yuta. Oh, si Yuta. Good idea. I will check the first floor. We can go upstairs. Alright. Thank you so much for helping me, Yunida. I really mean it. And please be careful. You too. I will see you upstairs. Yeah. Okay, we're here na. Yo, we have no. We have ano tawag doon? Stamina.
Bruh.
Stamina. Ano yan? My key. It's too dark to see. Ayan, key. Key. Hindi ko rin kita kasi yung monitor ko nasa taas. What's this? Let's examine muna. It won't budge. Guess we closed that a little bit too hard. Mailboxes. I think they haven't been checked in a while. Then check it. Okay, so glass, newspapers. Examine. There's an old newspaper. It is damaged. Someone must have split and drink on it. It says something about a missing person case from a while ago. Yung ambience. It's locked. Fire alarm. I shouldn't touch it if there's this. Up. What's this? There's no jump scare. Arsakon. So we should check. Saan nga yun? Upper floor? Wait, upper floor. I was supposed to meet this floor. Ano yun? I'll better find her. Okay, fine. It's locked. Lahat na lang locked. Ito locked din. Yoiko? Okay. It's Yoiko. Yunida? Hindi si Yoiko yan. I can see you. I haven't found Yuta on the first floor. Shall we go to the upper floor? You are very kind. And I'm terrible. For tricking you. Wait, what? For tricking me like that. How so? What? You see, I could barely hold myself back when you were at school. Okay. Seriously? What did you do to me? I have a secret that nobody knows about. Oh shit, tagbuhan. Huh? Go. Dito tayo. Go, inside. Nice. At parang chill tayo. Ayan, dito siya. Dito siya, men. Okay, okay. Wala. Dito naman siya. Bumabalik siya. Okay, wala na. Okay.
Are you fucking blind? You can't see me!
Nope.
Ayop na yan. Hindi ako papalabasin. Okay. Sorry. Hindi niya ako papalabasin. Ayop. Okay lang. Sige. Okay, palayo siya. So. Taragis naman yan. Wala na, patay na tayo. Speedrun na nga natin to. Speedrun. Ayan. Pupunta yata tayo dito, di ba? Okay. Let's go. Takbo tayo. Takbo tayo dito. Oh no, wala akong mana. Dito tayo. Di ba? Wait lang natin pumunta siya dun. Okay na sa taas ah. Okay, dito na tayo. Tapos nandun siya oh. Mikey! Saan to? 302. Wait lang muna natin. Wait lang muna. Wait lang muna ah. Yeah, pupunta siya dito. Dito siya. Okay. Stupid bitch. Yep. Ay, ayop. Run! Okay, let's go. Good thing we can outrun. Kanya, yun kaya gawin natin, no? Kaya wala siya. 302. 3010? Huh? Ha? Anong 3010? 302. Saan yan 302? 302 diba? Yan. 302 nga. Saan ba yun? Kaya pupunta siya dito. Ha! Kyo! Open the door. Open the door. Oops. Ha! Weak! Trio 2. Nice. Hide! You mother. Okay. What's in here? Yun, may hole. There's a hole under the photon. I wonder where it leads. Wait. Nice. We're getting progress. Ay, flashlight. It looks forbidden but it works. Okay. Yung. Finally. Nagagawin dito, tol. It's locked. Yun. Okay. Master key. Dito. Yun, saving. Finally. What's in here? It's locked. Doesn't work. Dito. Wait. May nakita akong susi dito kanina. Yun. Yun. 301. Ano yun? 310. Hindi tayo makakalabas dito, tol. Ano siya, oh? Uy. Ha! Ah! Takot. Taas. Dito tayo dito. 310. Dito. Ano dito? Ano to? Key. Level touch on it. Storage room. Okay, alam ko to. Okay. Andun siya. Okay, alam ko yung ano niya. Okay, nasa taas siya. Finally. Okay. What's in here? There's an old box. Okay. Finally. Pwede na natin magamit yun. Flashlight. Ano to? What's this? Hindi siya dito makakapunta. Right. What's this? There's a rusty roof entrance. Oh. Okay. Play tayo dito. Dito yun. Roof entrance, diba sa taas? Okay, ingat. Roof. Okay. Ano to? Roof entrance. Dito? Yup, dito. Wait. Ano to? What's this? Ano yan? Code. Oh, ano? Yung code. 7269 7269 ba yun? Oh fuck, dito siya. Oh, good. Pailalim. 7269. from here, you motherfreak ka. Tabuhan tayo dito, tol. Dito. Okay, let's go. Open. Dito. Uy! Ha! Fuck you! Okay, takbo.
Hello?
Okay, takbo. 7269. 7269, right? 7269. 7296. 6927. 9627. Used! Thank you. Okay, we can use this. Finally. We are out! Oh, sorry. This part of the fence looks damaged. I wonder if I could get through. Okay. We need something to, we need something. Okay. So, wait. Some pants hanging in the dryer. Weird. It's the only piece of cloth left. Huh? There is something in the pocket. Key 309. Key 309? Babalik tayo. Babalik. 309. Okay. We're just silent muna, no? 309. Okay, di ba? 310 yan. Pwede dito. Oh, dito nga. Alam ko eh. Ang gagawin dito, tol. Okay, examine. Okay. Oh, pliers! Cutting wires. Okay. Hey! Hayop ka, doon ka pala. Okay, baba ka na dyan. Hindi nakakatawa. Okay, takbo. Uy, hello. Uy! Swerte. Okay, swerte. Nice. Ito yung napanood ko eh, yung guy, yung naglalaro ng ganito, tapos nagkikiss silang dalawa. Okay. Hindi na ako marunong mag-English mga repa. Oh, dito. Ito, yung gagawin sila. Ano nga yung video na yun? Anong video yun tala? Dito nga ito. Dito. Okay. That's all this silent. Huh? It came from up there. Somebody there. What? What is that? Strange figure, isn't it? Is she coming my way? Da-da-dot. What? She's almost naked. Hey, stay back! Da-da-dot. Do you hear me? Awashima? Da-da-dot. She disappears into the fog. Where did she go? I don't know. Malay ko. Bakit pa? From doon daw. Okay. Okay lang. Saan yung pumunta yung demonyo na yun? Okay. Let's go. Hey! Yo, parang Among Us. Diba?
Nope.
Nagulat ako, hayop. Nakakabisit yun ah. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Dito. Right. Yung tao. Yun o. Tao yun o. Ba't nga? Tahan nga natin. Ano ginagawa nun? Yun. Ay! Ay! Ayan. Di. Hayop, maghanap mo naman tayo ng susi. Araw-araw na lang. Sloked din to. Ano ba yan? Ikaw, Among Us. May susi ka ba dyan, Among Us? Among Us? Among Us?
Huh?
Haha, wala. Okay. Oh, yan. Dito. Wala. Locked. 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 Locked lahat. Lahat locked. Dito. Locked. Dito. Locked. Dito. Oh, yun. What? A key in such place? I'll take it anyways. House key that... Okay, dun. Wait, dun sa lock na isa. Yung isang lock. Yung isang lock dito. Wait. Saan nga yan ulit? Dito? Okay, wait. Dito. Hindi yan. Dito. It's locked. Hindi. Baka dun. No, si Awashima. Okay. Awashima, hello. Oh, dito. Okay. Okay, such weird place. Oh! 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 Yes, I should take it, of course. G to equip your gun. Okay. What's this? Bunch of coins lying on the table. Not much, but it may come in handy. Okay. G. Okay. Ano nga yung magbar... What? Wala, nawala siya. Wala! What? Saan natin gagamitin yung ano, yung paano ba baril? Hindi mabaril. Baka right click. Ayoko sayangin yung bawala ko. Ano ga? Oh, dito. Yun, may key. Inserted a coin. Wait. Wait, gagawin natin yun. Okay. Let's go. Hanap tayo. Okay, hanap tayo. Okay, let's go. Saan nga yung vendor na yan? Ay, yung vending machine. Ay, dito tayo, tol. Okay, dun lang pala. Iikot lang tayo. Okay. Dagan. Ha! Dito tayo ngayon. Mwah! Ay! Mwah! Woo! Another horror game na natapos. Awashima slowly slid to the ground. A body of a girl appeared in their spot, and the blood started to spread around it. It could faintly hear her calling out my name. I panicked. I ran back to the plot where I found the gun. I wanted to put it back, in its place. But something was different. The blood on the wall, it faded away. When I went back outside, the body was gone. Whoa. Where did that body go? What's this? The end. Yes! Innocence lost. Game by... Oh, what the hell? Hindi ko pa nababasa. Bilis naman. Galing. Yes. Galing, galing. Sino yan? Si Yota yan. Si Yota ba yan? Okay, tayo. Tayo yan. Okay, tayo na. Okay. What's this cutscene? Watch this cutscene. May na whispers. Oh! Boy pa. Is this what you want all along? Wala. Ayaw. Now we will always be together. Nah. Pass! Yoko. Yun. Big game. An amazing game, bro. Kahit nakakatakot lang beses na ako natakot. Tatlo? Hindi ko alam. Basta. Yun. So, dito na nagtatapos yung ating video, mga WATlings. So, yep. This is seijunDROP. Yeah. Japanese horror game. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, mga WATlings. So, see you to the next video. Baru!